So, do you like our Halloween decorations?
Halloween? Is it really Halloween?
Yeah.
As in today?
No, it's in tomorrow.
Alright. So... Do I look scary enough?
Hey, it's snowing and raining! It's not snowing and raining. Shut up! Wait, no. Well, that was devilish.
That was pretty devilish.
Why are you sitting down?
Because you knocked me over with the force of your punch. To Dendy, you moved your arm back so far it hit me.
Well, that's amazing. Wait, I have T-Rex arms.
So do I. What do you make of that?
I couldn't have hit you.
Yes, you did. You moved your...
Anyways. Hey, look who it is. Hey, guys.
What are you doing? Clobee, that's Muno.
Something. Oh, I thought it was Dendy.
You're lumpy.
I'm a sausage. Wait, no, I'm not. Oh yeah, guys, I just started getting ninja training. Isn't that cool?
Were you already a ninja?
No.
Oh.
You're probably thinking in the law in the future, probably.
Yeah.
Hey, guys!
Ah.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, I don't know what to say.
Neither do I, really. Ah, Clobee! Ah! Hello, everybody.
What?
The Blizzard Wizzard hath arrived.
I hate you.
Yes, I am the Blizzard Wizzard with 2 Z's like Blizzard. I'm gonna make it cold and snowy for all of you. To the sky away I go. Who was that?
No idea. He said he was the ZZ Wizard or something.
He did say there were 2 Z's.
Yeah.
It was the Blizzard Wizard. I don't know why I said that like it's someone who we know in a past enemy, because I have absolutely no idea who he is.
He's a bit stupid, isn't he?
I'm not stupid! Just give me a few minutes to get up. It's really hurt my back. It's wearing sticks, you know, because I'm a snowman. There was like magic in this old hat that they found, and when they placed it on my head, I became a wizard.
He's an idiot.
He really is.
Sorry about my laughing, it's just funny.
Teleport's behind you! Ow.
Hey,
Yes,
ZZ.
you're all locked in here with no way out of my...
Hey, ZZ Pop Talk! Oh yeah, I'm a rapper now.
You're not very straight. Now, you're locked in here with no way out. I am evil and an evil wizard.
What about the door?
There is no door. I blocked it with snow.
Wait, why can't we just get rid of the snow?
Because you have no shovel.
We have Dendy.
You can't use Dendy. That's a violation of ink rights.
Does Dendy even exist?
Dendy exists, unfortunately. Anyway,
That's sad.
I am... Sorry. Sorry, that really... all that teleporting. Who's laughing at me?
You are such an idiot, mister.
Oh, you're one to talk, idiot. Right.
I'm not an idiot, I'm a Clobee.
Yeah, and that means idiot in wizard language, I think. Look, I don't know. I only went to wizard school for this hat. Wait, didn't you say that some kids placed the hat on your head, and when they placed it on your head, you became a wizard? No, I went to wizard school. You're changing your origin every 2 seconds. Like, seriously, who are you? The Blizzard Wizard. 2 Z's, like Blizzard, but on Wizard. Yeah, whatever.
Hello, ZZ man, do whatever, dance.
You are not straight. Whatever. You're locked in here.
I
Good.
get it. You can shut
Yeah,
up.
good luck getting out. Don't question why my voice was so deep earlier and why it's gone back to normal now. It's magic. Anyway,
Okay.
yeah, I'm going to fly away now and probably break my back again, and you guys can go figure out how to... Sorry, snow. Anyway, you guys can go figure out how to get out of your own house because the Blizzard Wizard has locked you in here. I didn't go to wizard school for no reason.
You're hilarious.
I'm not trying to be hilarious. I'm trying to be a serious threat.
Oh, okay.
Whatever. You guys are not getting out of it. Never. No way. I ain't having none of that.
Why do you have a star and a moon on your chest?
Honestly, I don't even know. Anyway, I am out of here. Yeah, I know that Blizzard Wizard of yours.
What?
Yeah, why are you doing that voice? Because I'm trying to be that cool cowboy guy who sits in the back and has a gun, but my gun is my arm because lasers.
You're a robot, though.
I'm not a robot, I'm a bug who was remade as a robot.
So you're a robot.
Partially a robot. I'm a cyborg, kind of, maybe. Whatever. I know that Blizzard Wizard that you speak of who just showed up. He's a real menace to the wizarding people.
Hey, you. I'm the real Western person around here.
Yeah, do you know the Blizzard Wizard, though?
Oh, yes, I know loads of stories. I know about a guy who's green and looks like a Fluffy. I'm not talking about that yet, though.
Sounds awfully a lot like some Shamrock type Freddy. I wonder if that'll be important in a later episode. Anyway, that Blizzard Wizard guy, real menace to the Wizarding Council. He's like so stupid and annoying, and he keeps talking about how he went to wizard school and he has so many different origin stories. It's like he can't even decide on one single origin for himself. He really annoys me. If you're wondering how I know all this, I teach the wizarding place for like a few months up to maybe a year before they realize I don't have the right credentials for it.
Okay. How do you know this much?
Because I just told you I taught at the wizard school for like a few months up to a year until they realized I didn't have the right credentials.
How did you get in?
Because they thought that I had the right credentials and hired me for the job.
That makes no sense.
Yeah, whatever. As the leader here of this organization, I say that we should not go crazy and figure out how to do things. We need someone to make food. Who here has a chef license?
Me!
Clobee, you need to make us food. Do you have a specific set of ingredients?
Bucket of roses!
Dendy's an ingredient?
Sure!
Okay, Clobee, go to the kitchen and cook us up a Dendy or whatever you're going to do.
Okay. The chef is making a food.
What's the food you're making?
I will never tell.
What, are you also a magician? That's why you never reveal your secrets? You hidden wizard! I'm telling you, Stitch, Clobee is a hidden wizard. We have to stay vigilant.
Welcome to Clobee's cooking show tonight! But it's day. What the? Well, I can see that you're probably going to do it right. And since we're friends, I'm going to let you guys borrow the kitchen. Don't do anything bad to it. Come on, Brobee, let's go.
Yep, that settles it. Clobee is a 100% qualified chef. He totally has his own cooking show, and he didn't just draw that in 5 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still not sure about this. I've seen what Clobee can do.
I think we should leave him.
I don't want to remember Christmas.
Whatever he does,
Not again.
whatever he does, it won't be too bad. Let's go.
Yeah, besides I'm the leader, so come on, let's get out of here. Alright.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. No one's watching this, but I'm going to say that anyway, because it's like what people do. Anyways, so this... Sorry, I forgot what I was going to say. So this is my blender that I will be using throughout the entire thing. With, of course, my best friend Dendy. Yes, we're friends. Okay. No, we're not.
Clobee's cooking show is experiencing technical difficulty.
So, our first ingredient is the Muno of the thing. It will be the cheese and bacon pasta bake. Now, I really like it. It's my baby. Yeah, it's my baby. So we're going to add it to the mixture, and it will be amazing.
Clobee's cooking show is experiencing some technical difficulty.
Well, that's big. Hey, we can fit a bit more in, right, guys? So next is this mustard. Let's spray a bit. And actually, no, we're just going to throw the whole thing in. That's lovely. What am I going to... Oh, yes. Italian chili infused oil. We need that.
Just so none of you copy this at home, remember, Clobee is a trained idiot and trained chef.
So, anyways, then we'll get the next ingredient. Mind me, Dendy. It is these noodles, and I don't think we'll fit it in, but who cares? We're going to do it anyways, because we're the band with, the Wizzard.
Clobee's cooking show is experiencing some laughter difficulties.
Oh, wait. Okay, the laughter difficulties are done. Now, we have this pencil. And, oh my god! Oh!
Clobee's cooking show is experiencing some pen-related incidents. I don't think Dendy will be able to save him. Please, experience this short intermission. These stairs are longer. Ow! We now return to Clobee's cooking show tonight, in the day, with the one and only trained idiot and chef himself, Clobee, who will never reveal his secrets.
Now, I know that pencils aren't usually in dishes, but they're in Clobee's supplies, so suck it up. I'm evil. Okay, what am I going to do? I'm finally awake. I just need one more ingredient. Oh, hey, Clobee. One more. Oh. Hey, Dendy? Yeah? You've been a bit annoying today, haven't you? What do you mean? I mean, you've been Dendy today. Yeah,
There's like a scientific fact. Dendy is in fact Dendy, and today he has been a bit more Dendy than he should have.
Yeah, so, don't take this too personal, buddy. I said don't take it too personal. Go in the freaking dish!
The aftermath of this was something that we were requested to not show on live television, even though this isn't live. Anyway, come back for the next episode of Clobee's cooking show tonight in the day, but it's almost night, with the trained idiot and chef who will never reveal his secrets, Clobee! Welcome back, everyone! Wait, wasn't Dendy with you earlier?
I wonder what Clobee made today.
Yes, Clobee, what exquisite meal have you cooked up for us today? You must be a really good chef. You have your own cooking show and everything. Yeah, that seems eatable enough. So, what now? The Blizzard Wizard hath returneth.
Okay, the best character here.
Clobee.
Yeah.
What happened to that Clobee surprise you were saying you were going to make?
Oh, I made it! Come along, friends! And acquaintance.
No, I seriously want to know what happened to it. Also, may I just say I'm a big fan of Clobee's cooking show tonight.
But it's day. Shut up.
It can be night if we want it to be night. Now, Clobee, what did you do to the surprise? What happened?
It's over in the kitchen. Let's go and see it.
Did you mess up?
No. I did it really well.
Oh. Well then,
Did you watch it then? If you said you were a fan.
I'm out.
Ta-da!
I regret everything I said about it. I told you Clobee couldn't cook.
I can't even see. I can't even see it.
It's probably best that you don't see it.
Well, okay. What's this?
Oh no, a cat!
It looks fluffier than usual. What?
I think we might have a cat infestation on our hands. Okay, what do you two think of this eloquent meal? Yes, I said eloquent because Clobee doesn't say elegant, he says eloquent.
Well,
Yeah.
it's a hybrid.
Yeah,
is
what do you guys think of this elephant meal that Clobee cooked up? I'm sorry, I'm laughing. Just so that Clobee called it an elephant meal, and look at it. Yeah.
Hey guys, what did you think of it?
It's really bad. I don't think it's edible. Yeah, the topping is Dendy. Clobee, I know we might not really like him. He's kind of a villain, but is Dendy still alive? I don't want to have murder on my record. Not after the incident.
What incident?
That's for a later season.
Okay. Well, if you don't think my one's good, then you're an elephant.
Oh yeah, sure. It's such an eloquent meal that you have made. How I can't think of anything. But still, you're bad at cooking, and I'm shutting down Clobee's cooking show.
Tonight!
Clobee's cooking show tonight is Clobee's cooking show in the day. Here's my own surprise.
I will burn you!
Oh yeah, sure. What's your next Clobee surprise gonna be? Ah!
Well, I'll make it I'll make it stitch eye soup.
Hey, idiots! How about you Clobee surprise this?
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. I'm back. Chained up the Blizzard Wizard. Now you are going to magic jail for a very long time.
Hey guys, and what is that in your kitchen?
Apparently it's Clobee surprise. Or are you talking about this guy?
Well, I'm talking about both, to be honest.
This guy is, the Blizzard Wizard. He broke into our house.
Well, guys, I basically just came back from my coat because I got into my car and I forgot about it.
I'll kill you! I'll kill you and skin you!
Wait, you have a car? Yeah?
I'll make Clobee surprise out of your Clobee's corpse!
You're dumb. It should be Clobee Corpse Junior.
What do you mean, Junior? It's Clobee's the corpse! Clobee's the corpse!
You're the Clobee now! Why do you like this?
It's snowing. I can confirm it is snowing.
No, it isn't.
What do you mean it isn't? It's clearly snowing. Have you not looked outside? Your name is Snowy. You should know something about snow.
I kept the door open. Your door was open the whole time, you know.
Wait, what? So we could have left? So you were lying? You're going to liar wizard jail now. You deserve that.
He escaped! Look!
He escaped?
Look!
Yes, that's right. This is not the last you've seen of me. I shall return probably in season 1 or season 2 or whatever season this is. And now I head away. Away.
It's got a hat. It loves it.
How do you think of this in your Clobee surprise?
You know what? Right, that's it. You're out of here. Come on, Brobee. We're gonna live here, and you all are gonna move somewhere.
Am I allowed
else.
in? I'm the leader.
No.
Oh.
You go with them.
Banette, away.
I still
Ow,
haven't
that
seen
actually
it.
that actually really hurt.
I still haven't seen it.
Big gorilla, take that power off your head. I need to go to the hospital.
Well, see you later on Clobee Supplies tonight. Okay, that's the end of Clobee Supplies tonight. But we'll be back again